Get ready.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Put that bit there.
Some feathers.
What if there's like a bunch of dead birds in there?
Oh, it's fine, don't worry.
There he is.
Oh, look at him, look at him. He's big. Jesus
Look,
Christ,
it's
he's
a Bloody
massive.
seagull.
It's massive, man.
Why is...
How are we going to get that
Hang
figure
on.
out? Come on, mate. Come on. Out you get.
Come on,
Come
Gerald.
on.
Can't get this bloody thing out.
Jesus, what the hell's all that shape? There's a big thing there. So you're just going to have to hold it there. Right. He needs to be
You have
encouraged.
to grab him. Get your thing.
Oh, I'm scared.
Hang on.
I'm going over here.
I use these nightly.
Ooh.
And then
That one don't fit.
You're going to chuck him out that window. I've got
Yeah.
your gloves in.
They're little. That's like the wrong way round. I need a hand when
Mind
you're
your
like.
feet on this.
Feet,
stuff.
feet.
You can just chuck
Hang
him
on.
out the front.
Right, alright, good chance. I mean, he's massive, man.
I don't know.
I'm hiding in...
I need this fucking thing.
Where
Oh,
do you
sorry.
need it?
I don't know what I need. Right. What about? He's massive.
You all right?
Right, okay, I'm ready.
I'm not.
Grab him all.
I'm not ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Go on, go get him. Go and get him.
Come on! He's gonna bite me. Come on! Come on!
Just let
Come
him,
on.
let him jump out and then
Come
grab him
on!
on.
I'll poke him out.
Why there's screws and stuff there.
Right. Come on, little birdie. Come on. Come on.
Just
He's having none of it, bro.
Yeah, yeah,
Ah!
grab him.
come on. Come on.
Grab him by his wings. So you grab him by his
Yeah,
wings.
that's what you say. Come on. He doesn't want to come out. Come on, little friend. He's going to bite me.
He's not, he's just a bit scared.
Come on, little
I'm
friend.
scared.
Yeah, so grab one of the sticks and I'll just pull him out.
What stick? That stick? Right, I'll open the fire. You go.
You need to pull it that way a little bit.
What? That way?
Yeah, not too much because the gas is
Right, go on.
stuck. Right, come on, little friend. Come on, come on.
Yay!
Run
Oh,
free.
the saver, the bird saver. BDD. Bird DIY dam. Bird gone.
Go on, Gerald.
Now the
Go